talking a lot of shit, whispering in my ear, making me feel all hot and bothered and shit, making a motherfucker horny. You say you could fuck? Prove it.
Look, bitch, you done talked a whole lot of shit, but wait till you see my dick. I ain't really for the talking game. You done came in the room, start handling the things. First start with brain, then I'ma beat the pussy up. Hit it from the back and beat the pussy up. Girl, while your friend doing all that running, be your ass still, long dick coming. A ride on the dick like you were dancing in the club. He really love attention, so show him some love. Now come up slow and just ride the head. Now drop down fast, put it all in there. Now turn your ass around, let me hit it from behind you. Put big dick inside you. I'ma hit it from the back while I'm pulling your hair. You climbing up the wall, but I'm pulling your hair. Getting freaky in the motherfucker sweating. I'm all on you, you all on me. Fucking like dogs. Me and Shawty off of the wall, and I like a waist flag with the balls. Shawty ain't holding nothing back at all. I ain't scared to put the mouth on the dick. She swallowed it, and she like it when a nigga be pulling her hair. Talking nasty to her ass while I'm pulling her hair.
Now that I got you in the bed, I'm gon' pull your hair. Snatch your ass up by the head, I'm gon' pull your hair.
Pull my hair, pull it hard. Pull my hair, pull it tight. Pull my hair, come on baby. Pull my hair. Ow. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me, shit. You like this? You wanna see what I have?
Hey bitch, I'm talking to you.
So tell me what you want me to do.
Look at him, drop down on all fours like a